Your boss told you to max out your 401k. They're wrong. For early career professionals, this safe advice is actually a tax nightmare in disguise. You think you're saving for the future, but you're actually signing a blank check to the IRS that you'll have to cash in 30 years from now. Now, I've spent years dissecting tax codes and wealth-building strategies to understand how the top 1% actually protect their money. Most employees follow the standard path, only to realize too late that they've fallen straight into the tax bracket trap. In this video, we are fixing that. I'm going to explain exactly why a Roth IRA often crushes a 401k for people starting out, and the specific mathematical tipping point where you should actually switch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step blueprint to avoid overpaying the government and accelerate your path to true passive income. Most people think a 401k is a gold mine because it lowers your taxable income now. Sounds great, right? More money in your pocket today. But here's the trap. A traditional 401k isn't tax-free. It's tax-deferred. That means you aren't escaping the IRS. You're just delaying the bill. Now, think about where you are in your career. You're likely in one of the lowest tax brackets you'll ever be in. By putting money into a 401k now, you're betting that you'll be in an asterisk lower tax bracket when you retire. Does that make sense? You're betting that your future self, who is hopefully way wealthier, will be taxed less than you are today. It's a gamble. And it's a gamble where the house always wins. Imagine waking up in 30 years. You've built a massive nest egg, but the government owns a huge chunk of it. Depending on future laws, you could be handing over 20, 30, or even 40% of your hard-earned growth to the state. That's not investing. That's just saving money for the government. You're trading a small tax break today for a massive tax bomb tomorrow. So, what's the alternative? The Roth IRA. While your 401k is essentially a save now, pay later deal, the Roth is pay now, save forever. For someone early in their career, this is the ultimate wealth cheat code. Let's break down why the 401k is often a trap. A traditional 401k lowers your taxable income today. Your boss tells you this is a win. And on paper, it is. You pay less in taxes this year. But here is the tax bracket trap. You are betting that your tax rate will be lower when you retire than it is right now. If you're a 25 or 30-year-old professional, that is a dangerous bet. You're likely in one of the lowest tax brackets of your entire life. Why would you want to push your tax bill into the future when you'll likely be earning way more? This is where the Roth IRA flips the script. With a Roth, you pay taxes on the seed, not the harvest. You put in after-tax dollars now. In exchange, the government makes a deal with you. Every single penny of growth is tax-free. Think about that. If you invest $6,000 a year and it grows to $1 million over 3 decades, the IRS cannot touch a cent of that million. Now, I'm not saying you should delete your 401k and walk away. That would be a mistake. You need to play the game strategically. Here is the exact order of operations for early career pros. Step 1, contribute to your 401k only up to the employer match. This is a 100% instant return on your money. Never leave free money on the table. Step 2, max out your Roth IRA. This is where you build your tax-free fortress. This is why using a high-quality online brokerage is key. You want low fees and total control over your investments. Step 3, if you still have money left over, go back to your 401k and fill it up. By following this hierarchy, you capture the free money, lock in your current low tax rate, and protect your future self from the tax bracket trap. You aren't just saving money. You're optimizing it. Now, let's talk about how to avoid the tax bracket trap. I recommend opening a Roth IRA through our partner, Fidelity Investments. With Fidelity, you can start investing in a tax-free growth account. Our viewers get a $100 sign-up bonus. By switching to a Roth IRA, you can save thousands in future taxes. For tax preparation, check out TurboTax, our trusted affiliate. They offer a free trial and 10% off for our viewers. Don't let the tax bracket trap cost you thousands. Sign up for Fidelity and TurboTax now and start building a tax-efficient retirement plan. Click the link in our description to get started.